Attention seniors, if you're shopping for a new SUV or wondering if your current vehicle will last through retirement, you need to hear this. There are 10 specific SUV models that are so reliable they'll run for decades with almost no major repairs needed, and I'm going to reveal every single one today. According to automotive experts and reliability data from sources like J.D. Power and RepairPal, these vehicles have annual maintenance costs hundreds of dollars lower than average, with some costing as little as $395 per year to maintain. I'm automotive expert Robert Chen, and I've spent 30 years testing vehicles and analyzing reliability data, and today I'm going to show you exactly which 10 SUVs are the most dependable for seniors, why certain brands consistently build vehicles that last forever, and most importantly, the specific features that make these SUVs perfect for older drivers who want comfort, safety, and zero headaches. So stay with me until the end, because I'll also share the one maintenance habit that can extend any vehicle's life by 100,000 miles, and it costs almost nothing. And if you're watching right now, please hit like so YouTube shows this to other seniors who need reliable transportation. And comment below, what's the most reliable vehicle you've ever owned? Why choosing the right SUV matters more than ever. If you buy the wrong SUV, you could end up spending thousands of dollars every year on repairs and maintenance that eat away at your retirement savings. The difference between a reliable SUV and an unreliable one can cost you $5,000 to $10,000 over a decade of ownership. Even worse, unreliable vehicles leave you stranded on the side of the road, create stress and anxiety about whether your car will start, and force you to waste time sitting in repair shops instead of enjoying your retirement. For seniors on fixed incomes, unexpected repair bills aren't just annoying, they can be financially devastating. A single major repair like a transmission replacement can cost $3,000 to $5,000. An engine problem can run $6,000 or more, and these problems often happen right when you can least afford them. On the other hand, choosing one of the most reliable SUVs means you'll drive worry-free for years or even decades. According to automotive experts, adults over 50 hold 83% of the wealth in America, which means you've worked hard for your money and you deserve a vehicle that won't constantly drain your bank account. The SUVs I'm about to share have proven track records of lasting 200,000 miles or more with just basic maintenance like oil changes and tire rotations. Your peace of mind and financial security depend on making the right choice. SUV number 1 and number 2. The Toyota RAV4 and Honda CR-V. Let me start with the two most reliable compact SUVs you can buy, vehicles that have dominated reliability rankings for decades. The Toyota RAV4 is a global bestseller, and for good reason. According to CarEdge, the estimated cost for the first 5 years of maintenance is just $1,865, and J.D. Power awards it an 80 out of 100 score for quality and reliability. The RAV4 Hybrid has always been a benchmark in durability and efficiency, with Toyota's reputation for building vehicles that last backing every model. The RAV4 enjoys Toyota's good name, and the hybrid model ensures better fuel economy, which is important for people with fixed incomes. The 2025 hybrid model is expected to have an MSRP starting around $35,120 to $40,205, which is in line with its accessibility. It has a good record regarding maintenance and boasts critical safety features that make it ideal for seniors. All RAV4s get Toyota Safety Sense, which includes automatic emergency braking, lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and traffic sign recognition. The XLE trim adds blind spot warning, and parking sensors with low-speed automatic braking are available on higher trims. The Honda CR-V is the second vehicle that belongs on every senior shopping list. Among midsize SUVs, the CR-V shines with low maintenance costs and a comfortable, roomy interior, combining affordability, fuel economy, and reliability. According to maintenance data, the CR-V has estimated 10-year costs of just $7,367. The CR-V is one of the longest-running and best-selling SUVs and a great choice for seniors. All models come standard with Honda Sensing, which includes emergency automatic braking, lane keeping, traffic sign reader, and adaptive cruise control. Blind spot warning comes on the EX trim and above. The CR-V's cabin is roomy and comfortable, and its large windows are great for outward visibility. The hybrid models provide outstanding fuel efficiency with an EPA estimated 40 city, 34 highway, 37 combined MPG, making them ideal for seniors on fixed incomes concerned about fuel costs. Honda also provides complimentary maintenance for 2 years or 24,000 miles on new models. SUV number 3 and number 4. The Subaru Outback and the Subaru Forester. Now let me tell you about two Subaru models that are legendary for their reliability and perfect for seniors who live in areas with challenging weather. The Subaru Outback has always been popular among retirees due to its utility and comfort. The 2025 model has an MSRP of about $28,895 and provides a highly versatile all-wheel drive system by default, therefore suitable for various surfaces and climates. Due to Subaru's reliability focus, the Outback is dependable for the long term. The Subaru Outback delivers all-weather confidence with all-wheel drive and stands out for its reasonable maintenance requirements, making it a solid pick for drivers who want versatility without high repair costs. Technology upgrades have been incorporated into the 2025 model that improve the Outback's fuel efficiency. The Forester is easily one of the top SUV choices for seniors. It boasts excellent outward visibility thanks to some of the largest windows of any compact SUV, and its interior is clearly laid out and easy to use, just like its center screen operating system. The Subaru Forester includes driver assist technology that seniors might appreciate, helping drivers navigate roads safely while they're behind the wheel. The 2025 Forester earned a Top Safety Pick Plus rating from the IIHS. This means it has been tested and proven to protect occupants in crashes and help prevent crashes from happening in the first place. Both Subaru models come standard with all-wheel drive, which is crucial for seniors living in areas with snow, ice, or rain. You don't have to worry about getting stuck or losing control in bad weather. The higher seating position makes it easy to get in and out, which is important for seniors with back pain or hip problems. And Subaru's reputation for building vehicles that last 200,000 miles or more means you can buy one and drive it for the rest of your life. SUV number 5 and number 6, the Kia Telluride and the Kia Sorento. Now let me share about two SUVs that combine reliability with features seniors specifically need. Mazda CX-5 earns a 4.5 rating from RepairPal for reliability. You can expect an annual average of 0.6 frequency of visits for unscheduled repairs, which compares to 1.1 visits per year for the midsize SUV market as a whole. The cost of a Mazda CX-5 is also in line with other SUVs in the segment, with a base price of $29,300. If you're a senior who lives where the winter winds blow, consider a Mazda CX-5. The vehicle comes with standard all-wheel drive, which is a great option if you travel in an area with snow and ice during the winter. Mazda has been killing it lately, and their SUVs are handsomely styled, fitted with materials and finishes that are way above their price point and incredibly fun to drive. The CX-5's interior feels more expensive than it is, with soft-touch materials and a premium feel that you'd normally find in luxury vehicles costing $10,000 more. The Hyundai Tucson is the corporate cousin to some of Kia's models and shares their excellent reliability. This Korean automaker is famed for high-value products, and the 2025 Hyundai Tucson is no exception to the rule. The practical 5-seat SUV is available for under $30,000, plus it can return upward of 30 mpg. Those two stats alone are enough to rank it as one of the best small SUVs for seniors right now. The 2023 Tucson was granted a 5-star overall safety rating from the NHTSA, as well as a Top Safety Pick Plus nod from the IIHS. Like Kia vehicles, the Tucson is backed by Hyundai's impressive warranty coverage, with a 5-year 60,000-mile limited warranty and a 10-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Hyundai also announced a perk of 3 years or 36,000 miles of free scheduled maintenance at your dealer, which means your first few years of oil changes and basic service are completely free. SUV number 9 and number 10, the Nissan Rogue and the Honda Passport. Now let me finish the list with two more SUVs that offer exceptional value and reliability for seniors. The little Nissan Rogue has a lot to offer and is one of the most overlooked models in the compact segment. The Rogue works well for seniors seeking excellent fuel economy and comprehensive safety features at a reasonable price. RepairPal reports annual maintenance costs average just $467 compared to $521 for the segment, making it ideal for seniors on fixed incomes who prioritize value and dependability over luxury features. It's important to factor in extra costs you may incur as a car owner, especially if you are a senior on a fixed income, and one way to avoid throwing away money is to cut gas costs. The midsize Rogue SUV gets 30 miles per gallon in the city and 37 miles per gallon on highways, making it cheaper to fill up your tank, especially when compared to other SUVs. The high points of the Rogue is its high-quality interior and its impressively smooth ride. It's reliable, sturdy, and can comfortably seat you and any friends or family members. Finally, the Honda Passport is considered the most reliable SUV due to its durability and dependability, scoring 81 out of 100 from the J.D. Power. It features Honda sensing for advanced safety, all-wheel drive for versatile performance, and high crash test ratings for added security. Its reliability and low maintenance costs make it ideal for seniors. The Passport stands out as a top choice for older drivers by combining superior comfort with practical features. The Passport's interior offers impressive cargo space that expands to 87 cubic feet when you fold down the second and third rows. The interior has physical controls rather than complicated touchscreens. Dual-zone climate control is straightforward, the infotainment systems are intuitive, you shouldn't need a degree in computer science to adjust your radio or turn on the heat. They're all the right size, not too big that they're hard to park and maneuver, but not so small that you can't fit your grandchildren or your belongings. Most of these models offer 70 to 80 cubic feet of cargo space with the seats folded down, plenty of groceries, luggage, or whatever you need to transport. What makes these SUVs perfect for seniors? Now let me explain exactly why these 10 SUVs are specifically ideal for older drivers beyond just reliability. First, they all have the right seat height. Common issues such as back pain and poor hip movement can make clambering in and out of lower-slung cars a real nuisance. These SUVs have elevated
seating positions and wide door openings that make entry and exit remarkably simple for seniors. You're not bending down low like in a sedan, and you're not climbing up high like at a truck. It's just right. Second, they all have excellent visibility. Large windows and thin roof pillars mean you can actually see what's around you, which becomes increasingly important as our vision changes with age. The Subaru Forester is particularly notable for having some of the largest windows of any SUV. Third, they all come with modern safety technology that helps compensate for age-related changes in reaction time and awareness. Features like automatic emergency braking can stop the car if you don't react fast enough. Blind spot monitoring alerts you to cars you might not see. Lane keeping assistance gently steers your back if you drift. Adaptive cruise control maintains a safe distance from the car ahead automatically. These aren't luxury extras anymore. They're standard or available on all these models. Fourth, they have simple, user-friendly controls. The interiors feature easy-to-reach buttons and knobs instead of complicated touchscreens. Dual-zone climate control is straightforward. The infotainment systems are intuitive. You shouldn't need a degree in computer science to adjust your radio or turn on the heat. Finally, they're all the right size. Not too big that they're hard to park and maneuver, but not so small that you can't fit your grandchildren or your belongings. Most of these models offer 70 to 80 cubic feet of cargo space with the seats folded, plenty for groceries, luggage, or whatever you need to transport. How to make any SUV last forever, and final buying advice. Now, let me share the maintenance habits that will help any of these SUVs last 200,000 miles or more, plus my final advice on which one to choose. First and most important, follow the maintenance schedule in your owner's manual religiously. This isn't optional. Your manual lists exactly what needs to be done and when. Oil changes, tire rotations, fluid checks, filter replacements, all of it matters. Modern vehicles can go 5,000 to 7,500 miles between oil changes thanks to better lubricants, so don't fall for shops that push the old 3,000-mile rule, but do change it when your manual says to. Second, keep records of everything. Save every receipt, every service record, every repair bill. This documentation proves the vehicle was maintained properly, which helps with resale value and warranty claims. It also helps you track patterns if problems start developing. Third, address small problems immediately before they become big, expensive ones. That weird noise, that dashboard warning light, that small fluid leak, don't ignore them hoping they'll go away. Catching problems early can save you thousands. Fourth, use quality parts and fluids. You don't necessarily need dealer parts for everything, but don't cheap out with the lowest quality aftermarket parts either. Your engine and transmission deserve good oil. Your brakes deserve quality pads. This is the place to save $20. Fifth, keep your vehicle clean, inside and out. Wash it regularly to prevent rust. Vacuum the interior to prevent wear. Clean spills immediately. A well-maintained vehicle inside and out lasts longer and feels better to drive. Now, which of these 10 SUVs should you choose? If you want the absolute lowest maintenance costs and best fuel economy, go with the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid or Honda CR-V Hybrid. If you live where weather is challenging, choose the Subaru Outback or Forester for standard all-wheel drive and exceptional visibility. If you need space for a large family and want the best warranty, get the Telluride or Sorento. If you want a premium feel without luxury prices, the Mazda CX-5 delivers. And if you want a tight budget, the Nissan Rogue gives you excellent value with low running costs. You can't go wrong with any of these 10 vehicles. They've all proven themselves over years of real-world use by millions of drivers. Buy one, maintain it properly, and it will serve you faithfully through your retirement and beyond.